If Adobe Lightroom is throwing error code 10,000, don't worry. This usually means Lightroom has run into a corrupt cache or local storage issue. In simple terms, Lightroom can't properly read or write temporary data, so it gets stuck and throws this error. In this video, I'll show you the fastest fixes in the right order, so you can get Lightroom working again without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes. First, open Lightroom and go to Preferences. Then look for the local storage section. Your first step is to clear the cache from here. This is the main fix and often solves the problem right away. If Lightroom still shows the error after that, close the app completely. Then you'll want to delete the cache manually. On Windows, go to C Drive, then Users, then your username, then AppData, then Local, then Adobe, then Lightroom, then Caches. Once you're inside that folder, delete everything in it. Don't worry, Lightroom will rebuild fresh cache files the next time it starts. After that, restart Lightroom and check if the error is gone. In many cases, just clearing and rebuilding the cache is enough to fix it. If the problem still comes back, go back into Preferences, open local storage again, and change the storage location to your internal SSD if it isn't already set there. A faster and more reliable drive can help prevent this error from happening again. Next, check your available storage space. If your drive is almost full, Lightroom may not have enough room to create temporary files, and that can trigger error code 10,000. Freeing up some space can make a big difference. Delete unused files, empty the recycle bin, and make sure Lightroom has room to work. If you're still seeing the issue, sign out of Lightroom and sign back in. This can reset the session if the cache problem is tied to your account or sync state. So to recap, the best order is clear the cache, delete the cache manually, restart Lightroom, move storage to an internal SSD, check disk space, and finally, sign out and sign back in. One of these steps usually fixes the error completely. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Lightroom troubleshooting, and I'll see you in the next one.